My fellow comrades, these Tibetan activists are exposing the truth about Tibet's occupation and the 500,000 Tibetans inside our labor camps. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, what do you think we should do?
Well, I think we need to get ahead of the story and start tweeting more propaganda on our MFA account.
Tashle. Hi everyone, my name is Tella, a student activist with Students for a Free Tibet. Through education, grassroots organizing, and nonviolent direct action, SFT campaigns for Tibetans' fundamental right to political freedom. The Chinese government Ministry of Foreign Affairs Twitter account is used as a propaganda machine to spread extremely harmful disinformation about Tibet. Considering Xi Jinping has banned Twitter in China, this is pretty ironic. But SFT has figured out a way to force these tweets to support human rights in Tibet. Today, I am super excited to introduce you all to Tweets for Tibet. Tweets for Tibet lets you pledge 5 cents or more per tweet to Students for a Free Tibet. It's easy. Just go to www.tweetsfortibet.com. Once there, you can easily sign up and can also set a monthly limit. Xi Jinping thinks he can use Twitter as his government's propaganda machine, but together, we can turn his MFA's tweets into a tool for the Tibetan freedom movement.